Dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. How is it going? Good. Okay. So we have completed 3 lessons in EVS. Hope you all have completed the notes and studied the lessons. My dear children, don't dump your portions. Just after watching the videos, you read the textbook and also underline the main points. Study the questions from that part. Don't think that let me watch the video now and I'll study after some time. Don't think like that. Just after watching the videos, read the portions in the textbook and study the questions from that part. Every day you should read the textbook. Okay? Otherwise it will be difficult for you to study. Today, let's start with a new lesson. Lesson 9. How plants make food. Lesson 8, you don't have to study for exam, but we have to do one activity from that lesson that we can do later. So now, let's start with lesson 9, how plants make food. What are the parts of a plant? Yes, stem, root, leaf, branches, flowers and fruits are the different parts of a plant. And most plants appear green in color. This is due to their leaves. Do you know why the leaves are green in color? We have studied previous year. Do you remember? Yes, leaves are green in color because of the presence of a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives green color to the leaf. Do you remember the parts of a leaf? That also we have studied in the previous year. If it is not raining outside, go pluck one leaf and come fast. This is a leaf. The flat and broad part of the leaf is called as leaf blade or lamina. Then you can see a fine network of lines on either side of the leaf. This is called as veins or side veins. At the center of the leaf, you can see a thick vein that is called as midrib. Then this part of the leaf which is attached to the stem, it is called as stalk. Stalk is the part of the leaf which attaches it to the stem. These are the parts of a leaf. And on the underside of the leaf, there are tiny openings called as stomata. We cannot see the stomata through our naked eye. We can see the stomata only under a microscope. Let us draw the parts of a leaf. You have to draw this neatly in your notebook and label the parts. Okay. So here the flat and broad part of the leaf is called as leaf blade or lamina. The fine network of lines on either side of the leaf is called as veins or side veins. The central thick vein is called as midrib. The part of the leaf that is attached to the stem is called as stalk. These are the different parts of a leaf. You have to draw this in your notebook. How are leaves useful to the plants? Plants are living things. So do they need food? Yes, plants can prepare their own food. Animals depend on plants either directly or indirectly for their food. We cannot prepare our own food. We all depend on plants either directly or indirectly for our food. But plants can prepare their own food. So plants are the primary producers of food for all living things on earth. Do you know how plants prepare the food? What all things they use to prepare food? Where is the food prepared in a plant? So today let's study about how plants prepare the food. Plants prepare food in their leaves. So leaves are called the food factory of the plant. What all things they use to prepare food? This also you have studied. Do you remember? Can you recollect? Yes. Leaves use water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll to prepare food. This process of preparing food by the plants using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called as photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So what is photosynthesis? The process of preparing food by the plants using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is called as photosynthesis. So let's study about photosynthesis in detail. How do plants get water to prepare food? Yes, the roots of plants absorb water from the soil. This water reaches the leaves through the stem. In the leaves, the water is taken to all parts of the leaf through the veins. We studied what are veins. Veins are the fine network of lines that can be seen on the leaf. So veins are the tubes that carry water to all parts of the leaf. Then plants need carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through the stomata. What is stomata? Yes, the tiny openings on the underside of the leaf is called as stomata. So air enters the leaf through this stomata. Plants use carbon dioxide to prepare food and they release oxygen. So the gaseous exchange occurs through the stomata. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through the stomata. Also oxygen is released outside through this stomata. The next one is sunlight. Plants need sunlight to prepare food. If there is no sunlight, can they prepare food? No. They need sunlight to prepare food. This sunlight is captured by the chlorophyll present in the leaf. What is chlorophyll? The green substance that gives green color to the leaf. So sunlight is captured by the chlorophyll present in the leaf. Sunlight provides energy needed to make food. Using the energy of the sunlight, leaves changes water and carbon dioxide into a kind of sugar, which is the food prepared by the plant. So the food prepared by the plant is in the form of a sugar. This food is taken by the veins to the stem. From the stem, it is taken to all parts of the plant. Plants use only a small part of this food for their growth, making seeds, flowers and fruits, and also for repairing damage. The rest of the food is converted into starch and is stored in the fruits, seeds, roots, stem and leaves. So the food prepared by the plant is in the form of a sugar and the food stored by the plant is in the form of a starch. So this is how plants prepare food. The process of preparing food by the plant using water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called as photosynthesis. During this process, oxygen is released. How do plants use the food they prepared? The plants use a part of the food prepared for their growth, for making flowers, fruits and seeds, and also for repairing damage. Plants need sunlight and chlorophyll for making food. Without sunlight and chlorophyll, they cannot prepare food. Sunlight provides energy needed to make food. Chlorophyll captures the sunlight. So today we have discussed about photosynthesis, how plants make food. Hope you all have understood the topic. Just after watching this video, take your textbook, read page number 61 and 62, underline the main points, write down the notes neatly in your notebook, study question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from fill in the blanks, and question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from name the following. A YouTube URL is attached along with this. Watch the video. A test paper is also attached. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.